Oh, hello there, Poppin Beauties. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bar because you don't want to miss any more videos after this video. I do makeup, vlogs, shopping hauls, all kinds of girly pink stuff. So if that's something you're into, go ahead and follow me. And don't forget, after this video, go ahead and do a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get started on this coffee bar tour. But first, I want to talk about the unicorns I found. This mug is really special to me because my fiance bought it for me. This is him, the blonde boy, and this is me. And he totally said that this is us. So yeah, he brought it home for me. I hope you guys got your special mug and snacks because this is going to be a fun video. I also wanted to show you guys the unicorns that I mentioned in my other video, the Ray Dunn. So this iridescent mug I ended up paying for. I found it on OfferUp for 20 bucks. And then these two mugs were iridescent, and these ones is hot chick and jelly beans. And I found these two from a lady we traded. So I had an iridescent buddy that I traded her, which I had two of those iridescent buddies. So I still have mine. Item I did find was this Love Wins, and I just thought this topper was cute. And this one I found on OfferUp for $12. And then I found my unicorn, which was over the rainbow. It's not the canister, but it is the mug, and it comes off, you know, the topper. So something that, you know, was hard to find, I found on OfferUp for 20 bucks. Then I wanted to show you my purse that I just got, which is Starbucks inspired. I love Starbucks. If you love Starbucks, you probably want this purse too. I found it on AliExpress for only $8. So if that's something that you want, go ahead and check out AliExpress. And you know, that's about it. So let's go take a look at my coffee bar and we'll meet back here. Don't forget your guys' coffee. So let's just get started with this Valentine decorated coffee bar, and I will tell you guys where I got everything. First, we're going to talk about, I got this Ray Dunn little candy hearts at TJ Maxx for $16.99. I got this at the dollar store, which opens. I don't have anything in there. And then I got this, I think at the dollar store. I believe, I'm not sure. And then I got this at Home Goods. It says cheers. And that was, I think, $14.99. I got this at Home Goods, no, TJ Maxx for $6.99. And I just put kisses in there. And I got this Hobby Lobby truck for $7.99, half off at Hobby Lobby. I got these marshmallow hearts from TJ Maxx, I think for a big pack for $3.99. And then I did this DIY. I got this like little heart or clear container at Hobby Lobby for like $3 or $4. I put the little embellishments of the pearls, and then I did this, got this at Ross. So it came in a roll, and then I just added a little diamond to it. This I got at Hobby Lobby, I think for like $4. So we're gonna move on to this section. And this stove my sister gifted me. I just kind of pulled this up because it's a little snug, and I just put more of my little Keurig little K-cups in there. But she got this for me for Christmas, which I thought was absolutely cute. Then then I got this online because they were sold out, but this is the Christmas edition, a little ornament, Starbucks. I got this at, I believe, Marshalls or TJ Maxx for $7.99. And then the Ray Dunn, I got this crystal thing at Hobby Lobby for, I believe, $16.99. And then I just put sugar in there. Then from here, we have this K-cup holder, which holds 36, and I think this is $12.99. I bought it at Home Depot. And these are the little K-cups I have displayed. And these ones are seasonal, and you can find them at Walmart for like, I think $29.99. They come with a set of 100, I believe. And then we are going to move on to this section. So this is my favorite section, and let's get started. I found this cup at, I believe, TJ Maxx for $4.99. The Keurig you can find at Target, or just type in pink slim Keurig, and I believe I got that for 70 or 60 bucks. This Ray Dunn again, and then you know, my good friend, she makes these little basically little container boxes or acrylic boxes, super cute. It's Tiffany inspired, and I will link her on the bottom. And then I did this DIY frame, which you could find a fashion, you know, Google image and put it in a dollar frame and frame it. I got inspired by Tanya Gonzalez. You guys could search her on YouTube. Also, don't judge my frame because yeah, it's the dollar store, okay? It scratches easily and stuff, but yeah. This Starbucks sign, I literally did that on my own. I do sell them and stuff. They do come with a stand, but I decided to hang mine. And then this ceramic flowers, I just got off like OfferUp, which you could find a lot of good deals on OfferUp. And then we have a DIY gumball machine, which these were the Target. It's not the greatest, you know, you guys, but this I, you know, got for $3. You can find the gumball machine usually in the Target playground. I think they sell out. They're pretty popular. I did this DIY and put the pearl embellishments on there with the little diamond, and put the candy hearts in here from the like their dollar section at Walmart. Again, we have the Ray Dunn, the little bow that I got from Walmart that comes in a roll. I just tied it around. This little ornament I got at Walmart during Christmas time for like $2. And then this one, cupcake trinket, I got at Hobby Lobby, and I think that was like, I'm not sure, $11.99. So some of the stuff I have prices. And then this one I think was $16.99, and this one was at Home Goods. And then I think I got this at Home Goods too. And then I got these sprinkles at Target, which it's like the Valentines sprinkles. You put that in your coffee. If you don't know, you know, you put chocolate, sprinkles, cream, you know, all the goods in your coffee. I got these 2 spoons, which they're pretty long, but they're good for these type of cups, the long cups and stuff. I believe I got 2 for like $9 or $10. And then I got these portable, like, you know, throwaway coffee, you know, cups at Home Goods for I think like $5 and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much my bar. The cart alone was, I believe, $40, and I got this. I didn't put the wheels on, but I got it on eBay, so I took a risk. But yeah, that's my coffee bar, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my next video coming up. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye, my Poppin' Beauty. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me with this coffee tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys create your own coffee bar, coffee cart, and please tag me or follow me on Instagram and tag me, because I would love to see your guys' creations. Thank you so much, my Poppin' Beauty. See you next time.